Hello everyone. In the last session, we have discussed the difference between rule-based programming and artificial intelligence program. And we have introduced one of the main methods to develop AI solution, which is machine learning. In this session, we are going to discuss AI different fields. Let's start. We have learned that machine learning is used to develop AI solutions. So now let us consider that AI is the biggest umbrella, while machine learning is coming inside that umbrella. As we said that machine learning is a group of algorithms which can simulate human tasks by feeding data into it, and the algorithm will try to find patterns so that it can perform a certain tasks. Very important note, machine learning is used usually if your data is a structured data, like columns and rows. If you have a table structured data coming from a database, like for example Excel, then machine learning can work very well. But if your data is a group of photos or text, then machine learning will not be able to handle it. That's why we use another kind of algorithms to handle photos, voices, text kind of data, which we call it deep learning. Deep learning is considered under machine learning umbrella, as it is also a group of algorithms, but these algorithms are working using our brain structure. So we use deep learning in case our data is photos, text and voices. Plus also if we have tables, structured kind of data, columns and rows, we can still use deep learning to solve it. AI fields is divided into 4 parts. We have machine learning, speech recognition, natural language processing, and computer vision. We are going to discuss each one of these fields with examples. The first field is machine learning, and we said that machine learning is used in case our data is on a table format. So we can use machine learning to predict, for example, a revenue for a certain company, to predict to whom we should provide, for example, bank loans, or to recommend a certain product for customers who are most likely to agree on these products. The second field is computer vision. Computer vision is the abilities for the PC or a program to describe photos. We see these technologies in many applications we use daily. Like before almost 10 years, when you used to upload a group photo on Facebook, we used to tag our friends manually. But today, what is the situation? The situation is you just need to upload any group photo and Facebook will ask you a single question. Do you want to tag the below, yes or no? So Facebook was able to identify people faces in our photos, and this is of course done by artificial intelligence. Another example for computer vision from our mobile. For example, if you have iOS, go to photos and click on people section. You will see a list of faces, and if you will click on any face, you will see all photos where this face was existing. This is of course done by artificial intelligence to group people faces based on similarities, based on a similar features between all of these faces and all of these images. Another example for computer vision is Google search engine. Usually if you want to search for anything, we need to write the keyword, and then Google search engine will give us a certain results related to our keyword. The question is, what will happen if we will provide a photo instead of a keyword? Will Google search engine be able to identify what is existing in this photo, and based on that it will provide us a certain results? Let's see. So first we need to go to Google, and then from Google search engine we need to click on images. And then after that, we are ready to drag some photos from our PC. Let us assume that I want to drag this one. It's John McCarthy photo. So let us drag him here. Let us see if Google search engine will be able to identify what is existing inside the photo. So yes, possible related search was John McCarthy and AI. And if I will click on it now, it will show me all the results related to John McCarthy. Very nice, right? Let us pick another example. So let us take this time a logo. So here we have a logo, which is ThinkWorks. It's an IoT application platform. So let us try to drag it and see what will be the result. So yes, possible related search result is ThinkWorks. So it was able to identify the logo inside the picture. Very good. Now these are all images taken from the internet. Let us try to upload something which is captured locally. So this is my snapshot. Let us try to upload it and see what kind of prediction we will have from Google search engine. So Google search engine was able to identify that it's related to Python. Very good. So it was able to identify that the logo inside the picture was related to Python. So Google search engine was able to identify the objects available in the photos. The third field of AI is natural language processing. Natural language processing is a technology which is allowing the machine or the PC to understand and process our natural language like a text. Some examples about these technologies is like a chatbot, Google Translate, and sentiment analysis. And now we are going to demonstrate one of the applications related to NLP, which is a chatbot. This application is created internally in Technology Academy. So this is the chatbot. So here, if I'm going to start writing some sort of greeting like hi, so as you can see, this chatbot is able to identify what kind of text I'm entering, and based on that it's trying to generate a certain response. So now it's requesting my name, so Muhammad Marwan, and now it requires my employee number. So this was one of the applications which we have developed internally in Technology Academy. Speech recognition is one of the fields of AI, where the computer will be able to understand our natural language in terms of voice and convert it into the right text, the right word. As an example about that is Alexa, Amazon Alexa, and Siri. Some other companies, they started to use this technology in call center. So instead of having a real agent, they are using this technology, they are using voice assistant to handle all customer queries. So this voice assistant, based on this technology, it's able to understand our voice, natural language, and it can handle our query with high efficiency. So to summarize this session, we have discussed machine learning and deep learning, and we said that machine learning can handle structured data like a table, and deep learning can handle different type of data like photos, voice, text, and also tables. From this, we understand that speech recognition, natural language processing, computer vision applications is created using deep learning, and for the applications where the data is columns and rows, we can use machine learning and deep learning. In the next video, we are going to talk about AI development process. See you then.